Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolás Riasco Riasco. I'm going to talk about what this different picture starts. The first photo is not as modern as the second one. In the first one, the streets are not paved like in the second photo. The first one does not have the same life as the other one. These cars are not modern like the one in the second image. The second image is buildings are better, not like the houses in the first image. The second image, they are more building and more trees, and there is much more harmonious feeling. In conclusion, in the first image was more present to Nighting, well, in the second image, everything is more modern. Again, thank you very much.